This is what it looked like. Snow and fog. We had about, let's say a half an inch here downtown, a little bit more than that in the southern suburbs. Right now skies are just cloudy, temperature about 30. A brisk cold night in Albany, temperatures will fall into the 20s. But it's south and east of here now, even into the New York City metropolitan area, where rain has mixed with and in some cases changed over to light snow. There will be no travel problems in New York City, just wet roads. But here in North Billerica, Mass, near Boston, 3 inches. Toland, 3. Montgomery, Mass. Binghamton got 2. Springfield, Mass, you got 1 inch, and it continues to come down tonight. This is not going to be a record-setting snowfall for us here in New England, but it's significant in that it's the first one. And another 1 or 2 inches, and I'll tell you, that snow, it's all changed over to snow as far south now as I-95 here in Connecticut. Just wet. Temperature above the freezing mark. It'll stay that way here in New Haven. We've got snow coming down in New Haven, and there could even be some flurries on the north shore of Long Island before the storm finally pulls out. Another inch or so here in Boston, maybe an inch or 2 in the suburbs, especially south and west. Maybe 2 or 3 inches of town as we pick up a little elevation here in central and western Mass, the northern Connecticut and northern Rhode Island. How about that, huh? We got some cold air in here, and now the moisture's come in, and here's the back edge of it. All that heavy rain in D.C., gone, huh? Philadelphia, gone. But what happens is the cold air will not be gone. Once the clouds break up, Saturday morning it'll be cold enough here in Pittsburgh and Trenton and Baltimore, but on Sunday it's really going to be cold. Temperatures in the 20s with a slow moderation next week. So that's a wrap on our little storm here in the Northeast. On Saturday, it'll continue to move northward, so we'll have some wind-blown snow flurries after the sun comes up here in Boston, and maybe an inch or so here in parts of New Hampshire and coastal New England. Then this storm will be out of here, northwest winds, and it's going to be windy and chilly. Wind chill factors down in the 20s at some point here in Boston, New York City, and in Philadelphia and D.C., wind chills in the 30s. As we head out to Cincinnati,